Welcome to my channel Charu's Knitting. Today I will show you a granny square pattern. First make a magic ring, then make a slip stitch. After that make one half double crochet, then make one double crochet. After making one double crochet, make one tree, triple crochet, then make 1/4 tree, then make one more triple crochet, then one more double crochet, and make one half double crochet. Now there is a petal. Follow this process and make 4 petals like this. You can make anything by using this beautiful soft looking granny square. As like you can make sling bags, purse, handbags, shawl, sweaters, and also baby's blanket, tablecloths, whatever you want. Here I add the white color yarn on the space where I make 4 tree in one petal. Make 3 chains there, then make one double crochet. This is a bigger one, then make 3 chains, then one more bigger double crochet into the same space, then make more 3 chains, and then into the next petals on the 4th tree make a slip stitch, then more 3 chains, make one more bigger double crochet, and thereafter make 3 chains, and into the same space make one more bigger double crochet. Follow this process till the end of this row. Now we are on the 3rd row. First make a chain, then make 2 half double crochet, into the same space. Then on the next space make 4 double crochet in the same space. After making 4 double crochet, make 3 chains. After making 3 chains, into the same space make more 4 double crochet. After making 4 double crochet, into the next space make 2 half double crochet. Then into the next chain make more 2 half double crochet, and after that the next space make 4 double crochet, 3 chains and more 4 double crochet into the same space. This is the process you have to continue. After third row, the fourth row, fifth row and sixth, seventh row will be the same process. There will be used just different colors. On fourth row I use the pink one. First make chain 3, then in every chain make double crochets, one double crochet in every chains, and onto the 4 corners there will be 2 double crochet, 2 chains and more 2 double crochet. This is the process you need to continue. Follow this process on 4th row, 5th row and 6th, 7th row also. 4th and 5th row is in pink color, and 6th and 7th row will be in white color. Now I am on the 8th row. Make 1 chain and then make single crochets in every chains, and on the 4 corners make 2 single crochets, then 2 chains, then more 2 single crochets into the same space. the 8th row and the 9th row will be the same process. There will be 2 rows of this pattern, 8th and 9th row, the single crochet patterns. After completing 8th and 9th row, make 10th and 11th row as like 4 and 5th rows. Look, I have just completed the 11th row and I am on the finishing line, and last row 12th row. Here I make single crochets in every chain, and into the all corners make 2 single crochets, 1 chain and more 2 single crochets. Follow this process and complete the work. Now you can make anything by using this soft and great looking granny square of your own choice. Thank you for watching my videos and support me.